put my turn signal to the right and I advance until my side mirror is aligned with the side mirror of the parked vehicle while keeping more or less 30 centimeters or a foot between the two mirrors. I put in reverse, turn my steering wheel one turn to the right, do my verifications, and when I can, I reverse. This reverse camera has 3 horizontal lines like the vast majority of reverse cameras, so I reverse until the right edge of the middle line reaches the bottom of the sidewalk, like this. Then I turn my steering wheel all the way to the left, and I reverse until the vehicle is as straight as possible. In this case, I still need to straighten it a bit more, so I turn my steering wheel all the way to the right, advance a bit, then I turn it 1 1/4 turn to the left to straighten my wheels. Notice that in some vehicles, when the steering wheel is completely turned to the right, you'll need to turn it 1 1/2 turn to straighten the wheels. In others, like this one, 1 1/4, or anything in between, depending on the vehicle. Basically, straighten the steering wheel, then turn it another complete turn to the left to straighten the wheels. Now be careful when the red line reaches the bumper of the vehicle behind. That means you're getting very close to it. For example, with this vehicle, when the red line reaches the bottom of the bumper of the vehicle behind, there's more or less 30 centimeters or a foot between the two bumpers. But that will vary depending on both your vehicle and the vehicle behind. So as soon as you see that the red line reaches the other vehicle, correct yourself. I show how to do that in my video on parallel parking in a tight spot. I'll leave the link in the description. Now of course, as I say in a lot of my parking videos, this reference point will depend on the size of your vehicle and maybe also your particular reverse camera. However, this reference point worked well with all the vehicles I tried this type of parking with. A good trick to find your reference point is to do the maneuver in reverse. Start with your vehicle parked and well positioned and with enough room in front to exit in one maneuver. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the left, advance until you see the other vehicle's plate in the middle of your window, then put in reverse so that you can see the camera, and take note of which part of which line of the camera is touching the sidewalk. As you see here, it's the edge of the middle line. So basically, what we're doing here is reverse engineering the normal parallel parking method. However, if you try this method and keep hitting the sidewalk, that means that you should turn the steering wheel all the way to the left a bit before the middle line reaches the sidewalk. If you're always too far from the sidewalk, then you should turn the steering wheel all the way to the left a bit after. Now I hear you asking, will this method also work when parking to the left? Yes, it does. Same procedure, just invert the directions. If you want, I'll do a video on the whole procedure, but it's basically the same thing. I'll make a video on what to do specifically if you're too close or too far from the sidewalk when parallel parking, since I sometimes get some comments from people having that problem. In the next video, 90 degrees to the right from the front, the normal way. So stay tuned and see you soon.